My name is Vikas and I'm a senior design engineer. So welcome back to our channel. So basically today we are going to learn about swift boss command in SolidWorks. So this command is used to create a closed profile along an open or a closed path to create a solid feature. So we use this command to create a helical type surface or shape, like which include spring and helical shapes. So let's start. So first we need a path for this surface. So select this front plane, go to normal, sketch, draw a circle, okay, change the unit, fine, edit the sketch, smart dimensioning, give a dimension of 150 mm, okay, go to feature, go to curve, select helix and spiral. So as you can see, we have a profile like this, and we have a multiple option over here like pitch and revolution we have, and we have height and revolution, height and pitch, and spiral. So we can choose either which is required for CAD modeling. So here I am selecting pitch and revolution. So pitch is 100 mm and revolution is 10. So pitch is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the pitch for one point to another point, and the revolution is like how much revolution is there. So it is 10, and start angle is 0. Okay. So now we have a profile like this in a spiral form. So we need a profile, like which type of profile we want to revolve around this helical shape. So let's see where we can draw it. So basically we will interested to draw it here. So let's see which plane will accommodate this. So top plane is fine, go to normal, okay, go to sketch, select the circle, draw a circle, give a dimension. So I am giving a dimension of 15 mm. Okay, now we have to make coincidence. So we can drag and drop here. So now it is coincidence, as you can see. Okay, exit sketch. Now go to feature, swift boss base command, select this. Now we have an option like sketch profile. So yes, I'm interested in sketch profile. So select this, fine. Second one is the path. So I'm selecting this helical shape. As you can see in the preview, like it is modeled like this. So it is like the spring in CAD modeling. Okay, let's see other options like guide curves. We don't need here. Options, fine, it's a follow the path, minimum twist. Okay, so start and end tangency. So it is none, fine. So here there is another option which is called thin feature. So this is just like shell command. So when we check this, it will show like the thickness. As you can see, it will create some hollow shape like pipes and all. So I kept this as a 5 mm. Check this, what is this? The curvature display. So it will display like this. If you select this, uncheck this, if you select this zebra strips, it will appear like this. When we select this curvature comb, it will appear like this. We don't need this at this moment of time, so uncheck all, select OK. As you can see, we have a spiral shape CAD model over here. It's look like spring and which is hollow, and this is like a pipe. So thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.